Hey there! I've got something super exciting. This best SucceBuy pressure washer is a total game changer. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. First up, let's talk about the design. It has a premium feel that you usually only find in expensive brands. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. And wait until you hear about the cost. It's a total steal. High quality for a fraction of what you'd expect. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. It's super functional for everyday use. It makes your daily routine much more enjoyable and efficient. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch: inventory is very low right now. Click the link below and secure the best possible price. Hit that bell so you never miss out on these gems.